Hey guys, Mongo here. Just want to give a quick update since people like the video updates more so than my chart analysis. But starting out the daily, there's not much to talk about. We're sitting on key resistance and support flip. This has gone back to January of 2021. Support, 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 resistance, resistance. And now we're back into that borderline support range. I don't see us dropping too much further. I still have this yellow box, which I'll get into in a second. 30 to 60 days is how this is a 60-day consolidation period before we rallied up. We're just at the 30-day mark. We could come all the way out to the end of December with nice sideways boring action before we make a move higher. I think at this point, the probability of moving higher is much greater than the probability of moving lower. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but that's just what I'm seeing. You also have the VWAP on the daily coming up, along with a trigger wave about to print in the next 2 days. So that's the daily. It's dropped down to the 12-hour. 12-hour, the money flow is still pretty thick. You have the VWAP coming up again. Again, VWAP on larger time frames is quite powerful. That's something I pay attention to. If you also look at the value area highs and lows and the point of control, we're bouncing off of the value area low, respecting that well. So if in this past 30 days, if you literally just longed off the bottom and shorted off the top, you would be just fine. So not much to see there. Nothing has really changed. Down to this 8-hour, same thing. VWAP's about to cross positive. Money flow is trickling out. It's not much to pay attention to there. 6-hour, you've got a green dot. You got a trigger wave, and you also have the VWAP crossing over. But meanwhile, you've got the money flow bleeding out. So still seeing more bullish signs than negative here. Let's see. VWAP is up, but very little price action. So we be careful we don't hit our head on the point of control and drop lower. 4-hour, not much to see. Nothing different here. 3-hour, very boring on the 3-hour. 2-hour, nice little trigger wave. But be careful. This looks like it could just roll over. 1 hour. 1 hour is. Yeah, this does look like it could roll. We'll see. 45-minute. You're printing a top signal or a change of direction. It's not looking too positive in the short term. Money flow is coming back up. VWAP's coming down. This is likely ready to roll. 15-minute. Indecisive. I mean, if anything, on the 15-minute, you have an inverse head and shoulders here. That could be a total fake out. Squeeze some shorts and push you back up to the upper $30,000 range. And a lot of indecisiveness here in this short period of time as well. On the 10-minute, let me pull a fixed range for you. Let's see what we have in this little short time frame. Yeah, you're respecting the value area low quite well. So you could just take a long here, short at the point of control, and then look to continue that short lower if that continues, but there's just too many what ifs. All right, guys, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. Not much has changed in the past 30 days. We're just up and down. As always, none of this is financial advice. Best of luck.